Bonsoir à tous, comment allez-vous? Ok. On se trouve sur du Red Dead. Bon, je vais faire ma mission. On va aller voir le mec que je peux pas saquer là, je sais même pas pourquoi je suis... le mec à cheveux longs là, je sais plus comment il s'appelle, mais merci. Ah, c'est un bot de foin qu'il faut mettre à l'autre camp. Donc du coup, on va faire un petit... Non mais ça va. Faire une corvée, hein. Oh, on gagne du sang-froid en plus. Magnifique. Par contre, je sais pas pourquoi j'ai ce cheval là maintenant, là. Ça me fait un peu. Ah, je crois que... Ah, il y en a encore une. Alors, un sac. Je vais le mettre sur l'autre personne. Non, mais genre, personne, il peut pas le faire. Euh... Salut, comment il s'appelle? Pourtant, on a fait la teuf avec lui et tout. Arrêtez pas de chercher. Comment il s'appelle? Voilà, le sac, c'est bon. Ah ouais, toujours, ouais. C'est vrai. La manette. Allez, il me manque encore un sac. Et voilà. Après, il faudrait que je cherche un peu pour les redonner au camp parce qu'apparemment, ils ont l'air de crever de faim. Je comprends pas trop parce que bon. Voilà. C'est bon. On va regarder si on a pas des lapins ou quoi. Comme ça m'étonnerait. Ah, on a deux poissons. Si on avait pêché, c'est vrai, on avait pêché. Quoi ça? La lotion odeur. Euh. Ouais. Je sais pas ce que j'allais dire. Non, je sais rien. Oh fuck, c'est bon. Vous avez fait vos corvées de merde. Hein. On va quand même partir à l'aventure là, non? Oui, je sais pas pourquoi c'est lui là. C'est qui lui d'ailleurs? Ah si, mon autre cheval. Pas la raclure, toi? Oh, ça m'intéresse.
Try me again? See if you do any better this time? I'm feeling good today, Way. What do you say about upping the ante this time? Make it interesting.
Yeah.
Why not? I'm feeling good too.
Ha! Okay, my friend, let's do it. Just like the last time, okay? Who can shoot the most bottles? Just draw your gun and aim when you're ready. All right? Shoot!
Voilà.
Perfecto. Maldito. You just got lucky.
If that makes you feel better, Sure.
Oh, that was damn pathetic. How about another round, huh? Raise
Alright, let's do it.
stakes.
Ah.
Aha, that's a good call, amigo.
On fait quoi là?
All right, real simple. First one to hit
Oh! Encore les oiseaux?
flying birds wins. Stand near me, and as soon as they come out, it's anyone's shot. Be patient. Trying to catch me off guard, huh?
Deux. Oh, arrête. Pas bon, on tire d'oiseau, moi. Surtout avec un petit gun, hein. Putain. Elle va avoir gagné. Hein.
Ah,
Voilà, en même temps.
You got close, but not quite. Practice more, huh? Listen, you need to pay me for your loss, okay?
Here. Lucky for you, I'm having a bad day.
Maybe we'll do this again, huh?
Prochaine fois, faut que je prenne mon.
Hasta la
Ah, yeah.
próxima, amigo.
Ah. J'aime pas le fait que ça soit pas dans mon dos. Ça me saoule. En vrai. Oh.
Yep.
Ah, lui, il est mort. Ouais, il est pas mort.
I thought you was already gone.
I never stop.
What? Ouais. J'ai perdu de bonus. Moi, je peux pas la lire. Là, il est vraiment mort? Hmm. Ah, là, je peux la lire maintenant. Cher Miss McFarlane, voilà. Il dit, je suis désolé, vous avez raison, je me laisse emporter par mes pensées. Je l'ai toujours fait, je le sais. Mais je vous aime. Nous sommes faits l'un pour l'autre, c'est notre destin, je le sais. Je nous ai vus en rêve, élevant nos enfants. Vous étiez très heureux et fiers d'être votre mari. Les rêves ne mentent pas, et moi non plus. Eh ben, je m'en vais alors, je m'en vais faire fortune. Et quand je reviendrai, je serai un homme riche. Vous verrez que je serai un bon mari, un bon père pour nos enfants. Et non, je ne en dirai pas sur ce sujet. J'ai tant de choses à vous dire. Je continuerai cette lettre plus tard, mais croyez-moi, quand je vous dis que nous reconnaîtrons ensemble une vie longue et heureuse, même votre père finira par le croire et par m'accepter, malgré mes origines modestes. D'accord, mais c'est quoi de la lettre? J'en sais rien.
Good boy.
Là ici normalement il n'y a pas une... Ça. Faut que je regarde la carte au trésor. Hein. Le train.
Pause publicitaire entrante.
Le train est passé. Il y a un campement. Bonjour tout le monde. Je viens d'arriver. Ça m'intéresse, il y a un point blanc. Contre-maître.
Hey there. Can I help you? Just taking a look. We're with the Appleseed Timber Company. Head foreman.
Ok.
Still getting started on this site, but we should have some fine Big Valley lumber for sale very soon if you're interested. I'll keep that in mind. We should be further along by now, but what can you do? I mean, look at these dolts. There's not a brain between them. Listen, you got any supplies for sale? Food, medicine? Starting to run low. I can't spare anyone to go into town, not the way things are going. I'd be happy to pay premium for them.
Je sais pas si j'en ai, mais... Ah, moi aussi. Restauration commandant d'énergie. Ah, mais il prend tout. Ah, je suis à 3 sur 3 sur tout. Sans tout donner. Et à 3, je donne. Ah, ça c'est sur 5. Voilà.
Appreciate it. That should help keep us going.
Ah, magnifique. Vendu du rhum et tout.
Hey, Arthur. Good to see you.
Why? You want rescuing again, dear?
No. I got a plan to make it up to you.
Oh, playing like the Blackwater ferry job, or like you going off scouting and ending up in jail?
Dutch said you was a big shadow cast by a tiny tree.
I don't even know what that means.
I thought you was a tough boy. Not one of those gentlemen trying to protect his riding clothes.
I just know whenever things get real, you turn yellow, lose your head.
Yellow.
Sure seems that way.
So I guess you won't be riding with me to rob the banking coach comes about this time in the Strawberry. I heard one of the O'Driscoll boys yapping about it while I was inside.
You and me? Do robbery?
That's what
Je
I
t'ai buté
said,
là?
didn't I?
After you.
Come on. I know an overlook where we can watch for them coming in.
Bah, allez, hein, on enfourche la raclure. Hein. La raclure de bidet.
What are you doing anyway, camping out here like some crazy hermit?
Can't exactly stay in town now, can I? Like I told you, I ain't going back to Dutch without a peace offering.
So what's the deal with this coach?
What do you mean? Comes through about this time every day, like I said, the end.
I mean, how many men, guns, riders?
Nothing serious. It'll
Huh.
be fine.
I heard the bank's been hiring every trigger man they can get of late. The meaner, the better.
You worry too much.
Forgive me if I ain't wholly faithful in something an O'Driscoll told you when you was half drunk in a jail cell.
He kept yapping about it.
Oh,
saying
et un
how
mort.
they've been hitting it on the regular. That's
Thérèse.
the way it in my book.
Damn O'Driscolls are everywhere now.
What? Il a foutu avec son cheval, lui. Photo d'une mariée. Merde. Non, du coup. Photo d'une mariée. Mais pourquoi? Bah, c'est sa femme, je suppose. Retourner, lire. Ah, y a rien de retourner. Ok, d'accord. Bah, juste ça. Ah, mais oui, d'accord. En gros, la route, enfin, ils ont fait un échappement de route.
Anyway, you were saying,
Bastards got a hold of most of Big Valley. Heard they took over some big ranch north of here. They should be here in a little bit.
Et là, il y a 75 000 gardes et tout.
Should be from over there.
J'ai faim.
We need to hit them
Pardon.
fast before they get into town.
Just don't lose your head this time.
Of course, tough guy. They should be here any minute. Look,
Ok,
there
là,
they are. Right on time. Get covered up. Come on! Ride!
Oh, c'est vrai. Allez, les v'là. Oh putain, mais il y a quand même. Attaquer les gardes de. Ah. On va pas laisser Mister y aller tout seul parce que c'est capable de crever. Par contre, le shoot là-dessus, youh. Oh. Un autre Driscoll. Oh. Dans la nuque, yeah.
I'll drive. No need to keep your face covered now. It's just you and me, sweetheart. I'll give it to them. They put up half a fight at least. Yeah! Taylor! Come on, boy! Here. Fine new rifle.
Un beau fusil, ah ouais.
Here you go, Arthur. From me to you. Had some more of your style than mine.
Ah.
What did I tell you? Like licking butter off a knife.
Something like that. You don't want to just break it open here, be done with it?
Could be more than we can carry. And to mention, we ride back in with a big take and a new wagon to boot. Dutch can't say we ain't pulling our weight no more, can he?
I ain't sure I trust this new act of yours one bit.
Listen, I know we got off on the wrong foot. Get across the river!
What?
What the hell? Come on, Arthur, get out of there! You dumb bastards! You okay? Keep your head. Let's finish.
Ce qui est bien, c'est que on a une nouvelle arme. Oh, oh la tête qu'elle fait. Il reste plus que deux. Là-bas. Oh là 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 là. Merde, loupé. Oh. Ah oui, son chapeau. Ah ouais, j'avais cru voir quelqu'un. Mais... j'ai bien vu quelqu'un, oui. Oh. C'est là qu'ils arrivent. Ah ouais. Genre les mecs ils arrivent en chariot, c'est quoi ça? Tant mieux. Une balle moi.
Let's take what we can and get the hell out of here. That lock should shoot off easy enough. I'll give you the honors on account of, well, this little mess. Come on. I'm happy to do it myself.
Quelle serrure c'est?
Découvrez le Pondopé Café pour jouer avec moi.
That should do it.
Ok.
Come on, let's see if all this was worth it.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Pause publicitaire en 30.
River full of dead O'Driscolls and a lockbox. I'd say we're golden here, Morgan. Look at
Oh.
what's the cut here?
It's good. Just make sure the gang gets its piece.
Yeah. Like I said, big shadow, tiny tree.
And like I said, that still don't mean nothing. Get out of here. Go see Dutch. Make sure you ain't followed.
I know, boss. I know. It's been fun.
C'est marrant. C'est vrai que c'était pas mal. On a eu un... On a eu une arme et tout. 300 balles. Ah, on va bientôt avoir 1000 balles. On va à elle, et puis après on va en Valentine. Hein. Allez, on va voir le photographe. Trop bien, c'est là où on devait aller. Ah, là où on vient d'aller. Photographe. La première fois qu'on a vu un ours dans ce jeu... Ah, dans le mode d'histoire, c'était le légendaire comme par hasard. Ah, tiens. Ah, c'est exactement là où on doit aller. Oh, manquons. Oh. Ah, pas mal.
Then we go in the front and come out the back then. Or we go in the back and come out the back. Hey, if kill that cocksucker. May you be the lesson to anyone else that comes to the O'Driscoll.
Un O'Driscoll? Il m'en reste une. Merde, il m'en reste plus. Et crève pas! Oh, ça n'a plus rien à voir. Prendre le chapeau. C'est pas pour nous. Oh putain. L'impression d'être un O'Driscoll. Allez, on se casse. C'est où le monsieur? Déjà, le mec il était juste à côté d'un campement, il a failli se faire défoncer.
Hello again.
Hello. Oh, hello. How are you, sir? Morgan, Mr. Morgan. I'm sorry, my nerves. I'm not quite the outdoor adventurer I thought. This is God's own country, and I feel I'm in purgatory.
I know the feeling.
Oh, I hope not.
So what you trying to take some pictures of, huh? Some more greedy coyotes?
No. Wolves.
Whoa.
What?
You really are trying to get yourself eaten.
Oh, I hope not. I left the meat over there. I thought I'd be safe. Given the wind.
Yeah, sure. If you manage to attract the world's least intelligent wolf,
Well,
I'll stay with you a while. If anything comes, I'll protect you as needed.
You are a gentleman.
You don't know me very well.
Well, to me, you're a gentleman.
Usually, I'm worse than the wolves.
You had many dealings with wolves, Mr. Morgan?
Sure.
But you've never been eaten.
Not through lack of trying on their part. A while back, I helped a friend from getting devoured. Usually they are not great fans of man.
I don't blame them.
Me neither. Hey, shh. Here's one. Looks like we got company.
Yes. Yes, there they are. In the trees. Now, don't do anything. I'm going to take a few photographs.
C'est pas...
Come on.
Ah, si.
Come on.
Il est en train d'appeler toute sa meute, le con.
Boys. Come on. Stay back, stay back. Can't have a man in the frame. They think it's staged.
It sort of is.
Magnificent creatures.
Especially when clawing at your eyeballs.
Come on. Stay still, my beauties.
un peu de partout là, les gars.
They don't seem to be fans of modern technology. Do something, Mr. Morgan. Help!
You got what you came for. Wolves. You got wolves, Mr. Mason.
Oh.
Oh, now I'm getting ate. Is that all of them? We might have kept the wolves from the door.
My whole futile existence flashed before my eyes.
Yeah, they can be pretty aggressive.
Ah, là, il a fait mourir par contre.
What a way to... Literally a dog's dinner. Still worse things happen at sea?
Do they?
Well, I imagine. Perhaps wolves do better at sea. Are they good swimmers? Well, who knows? You have saved my poor foolish skin once again.
C'est 2 fois, hein.
Mention it.
Well, I can't begin to repay my debt of gratitude.
Je vais donner son,
But no,
son
I am eternally
appareil photo.
in your debt.
I do, Mr. Mason, I do. You take care now.
And you too, sir.
On retourne au camp, on va donner tout ça à... s'appelle à Pearson ou un truc du genre. Comme ça, au moins, ils auront à bouffer et ils seront contents. Oh.
Okay, then.
J'ai faim.
Oh putain, oui.
Keep at it. Oh, God, you did it. Praise Jesus. Oh, God. Gotta grab some
Kangaroo, ouais.
for the blood.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, I was done for. You saved me. Thank you. Take something from my back for the trouble, though. I'm gonna take a minute now. My leg feels like it's on fire.
J'aurais pu courir un médecin.
Here, drink this for the pain.
Oh, God, yes. And to think, I almost didn't bring the trap.
Ah, c'est lui en plus qui voulait mettre le piège. Ah, le con. Ah ouais, là, il est con, par contre. Allez. Ouais, on a fait une rencontre. Notre statut, il a augmenté de... dans le bon chemin. C'est ça qui est bien. Oh, quelle idée aussi, on fait que des chemins... On fait que des trucs hors la loi, donc ça m'étonne que notre réputation elle baisse sa mère. Ah. Ah, du coup ça fait que ça c'est resté là. Par contre elle, à l'heure, au Driscoll, ils se sont... Ça a été repris. Oh, arrête le nid, tu sais que... C'est qui je suis, on a passé une soirée ensemble, on s'est bourré la gueule et tout, et tout, et tout. Calme-toi.
Once an O'Driscoll, always an O'Driscoll. What's your problem? I already proved myself. Okay. Well, all you proved is,
Hey, we don't need that
all
horse
good.
crapping all over the place.
Alors le cœur de loup. Oh, le cœur de loup. Oui. Le corneille.
Good, we really needed this.
En état. Et la tête de loup. Voilà.
We were
Et là, pendant ce temps-là, bah, moi, je vais me faire un petit truc à manger, je pense. Ah, non, ça, je pourrais te la vendre. Donc, on verra bien. Hop. C'est bon? Ah. Ici? Ah,
Arthur Morgan, king among men.
King among fools.
Vas-y, on va prendre un café. Ah. Maintenant, on va où là? Oh, Valentine. Valentine.
Somebody help me out. Hey, get moving. I was in the army.
Ah tiens, re-toi.
Hello, mister.
Hey, buddy. Hey, mister. Mister. I never learned your name. I never did. You're like a brother, but
Huh?
I didn't learn your name. And I said to myself, Mickey, you never learned that fella's name. Now, you'll never see him again. And you'll be sad. Like when your puppy passed. 'Cause you slept on it. What's your name, mister?
Arthur.
Arthur? My uncle's name was Arthur. Uncle Arthur, we called him.
Ah
On
oui.
account of his name.
Voilà.
It's a fine name. A strong name. Like a king. You could be my king, Mr. Arthur. Yes, you could.
Okay, boy.
Ouais, c'est pareil.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Allez.
Careful there. How's the scar?
I heal pretty fast.
Lucky you.
Ouais.
So you just lazing about, or you got any leads?
I got something. You see them?
Sure. Well, you see yourself as a shepherd now?
Maybe. Come on.
Well, where exactly are we going?
Collect something. Help us get some sheep.
You know, that attempt to seem all enigmatic and interesting, that might work for Dutch, but for you, it just makes you look stupid.
Come along.
Oui.
See? That train job was a start, but we need more money. Until we can get back to Blackwater and collect.
I'm here to tell you, we try to collect that money anytime soon, it'll come with a noose.
I was worried you'd say that. Dutch says that we...
Dutch says a lot. That's his gift. Saying things.
Oh, yeah? What do you mean by that?
I was a prize pony once. Now I'm the workhorse. Listen, Dutch is... But, well, you was at that thing in Blackwater. We already seen Pinkertons here. New century's coming. This life, this way, well, we're the last, I reckon. And we ain't long for it.
And that's the way it goes, I guess.
For me, yes.
All right.
Where are we going?
Just need to pick up something.
Well, pardon me.
There's a hitching post over there. Tether the horse and I'll meet you across the street.
Ouais.
I already don't like how this is going.
Ouais, on va acheter des...
Drugstore.
Yep. Can you,
Oh,
get in, pick up your sniper rifle? I'll explain later.
Don't you wear yourself out now?
Oh, well, hello again. How can I help you today?
Looking for a rifle? Something with a sight on it.
Shouldn't be a problem. You want to see what we've got? It's all in the catalog here.
alors ouais, c'est ça. Il aurait fallu. Ah, oh, 0 en plus. Papa.
Let's do this then. Come on.
Why couldn't you have done that?
Done what?
Bought that gun.
I had a run-in with that fella earlier. We ain't on the best of terms.
You had a run-in. I've had a run-in with half that town.
Calm down. It's done now, ain't it?
Why are you being so cagey about all this? Always playing some goddamn game.
Me? I ain't the one taking Jack on fishing trips.
No, you ain't. If you say the boy ain't yours, what's the difference? You probably only run off again.
Why are you so interested in my life? Ain't you got one of your own?
Just do one thing or another. Not be two people at once, that's all I'm saying.
It ain't that simple. You know that as well as anyone. Same as with you and that girl. What was her name? Mary?
That was different.
No, it ain't. Just the same.
Anyway, for the love of God, will you tell me what you got me doing here before I turn around and hit the breeze?
There's a herd of sheep coming down to auction from Emerald Ranch. Folk in town were saying the owner's trying to stamp out every farm from here to Ansburg.
Yeah, I know that place.
Il faut que je tire. Après des rochers.
Go on, give him a warning shot. Something close enough to make him cut and run.
Pour ça, il faudrait avoir quelqu'un.
Looks like one of them don't scare too easy.
Put another shot in close. He'll get the message. All right, let's go round him up.
Bon bah.
Let's go get the strays.
You ever work on a ranch, Marston?
No? You?
Oh, day here or there, but not much.
Most cowboys I know are dumb as trees. How hard could it be?
I guess we'll soon find out. Let's get these things. Bring them back to the yards.
Je comprends rien à ce qu'il faut faire, putain de bordel de merde. Oh là-bas.
the sheep to me. You ride Shank. Keep watch for any trouble.
I brought you in on this.
It'll be quicker this way. Trust me. This ain't the right time for you to be learning how to herd.
All right, whatever you say. I'm done arguing.
Keep moving.
Quickest route back to Valentine is right around that mountain.
Okay. Like I said, I'll handle this.
Ah oui, oui.
That's it. Slow it down. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Non mais c'est lui que j'essaie de remettre dans le troupeau. Envie de... Pas dire. Il faut que tu restes forte.
Come on.
Il y a un moment qui va passer.
Let's go. Move it up. Up, up.
Non, ils retournent à leur truc. Direct.
Those are up, boys.
There you go.
Ils arrêtent pas de crotter toutes les secondes, les chevals.
Fine sheep.
They're okay.
Well, you seem better around here.
I've seen ones with less ambiguity about their provenance.
What you trying to say?
I'm trying to say you give me 25% kickback, and I won't say nothing to nobody. Everything all right here?
Excuse me?
Sure, I'll excuse you for 25%.
Do you want me to put another hole in your head?
Folks swing for rustling livestock. 25%.
15.
20.
18.
Done. Calm yourself, friend. Just think of it as I'm buying your sins.
You're buying, but we're paying. Go
En
on.
train de racheter tes péchés, vient de dire.
Come back after the auction. You'll get your money.
All right, boy.
Dutch is waiting for us at the saloon.
Yes?
Oh, salaud.
18%. I thought we was doing the robbing here.
Still good money.
Well, thanks for all the help with this.
Allez, saloon.
Can't herd, can't swim.
Shouldn't we
You been
keep
kicked in
moving?
the head or something?
Give it a rest, will ya? We ain't kids no more.
Ouais.
No, never really was.
Yeah.
On va dans ce saloon là.
Come on, sunshine. I'll buy you a whiskey.
Allez. Hein. C'est parti, un petit whisky si on me le paye. Bah non.
After you, sir.
believe in absolutes, just shades of gray. Compromises.
Compromise it. Well, I have never been
Yeah,
a
Dutch?
man for
Gentlemen,
Dutch, me, Poe. Where have you been? Working. Marston's thing. Good. And? We're just waiting to get some pay on a few sheep. Leopold, my good friend, as long as you're here, why don't you and John go make sure there ain't no funny business?
Of course. Gentlemen.
Drink? Sure.
Ah ouais, attends. C'est pour ça, moi.
Nothing like talking to old Strauss to make you want to blow your own brains out. I should have left him where I found him all those years ago. Bookish little Austrian, fresh off the boat, his eyes out on stalks.
Well, I guess the Dutch Vanderlyn Finishing School has some strange graduates.
That it does. To your good health.
Thank you.
Allez, ça trinque. Oh.
Get out here! Get out what the hell? Vanderlyn! You don't know me, but you keep robbing me. My name is Leviticus Cornwall.
Oh putain, ouais.
I am not a man to be messed with by the likes of you. Get out
Je sais que
here,
t'es pas dans le mood, mais...
have these men killed.
Oh merde. Là, ça, la phrase, tu la prends dans un autre sens, ça peut être tendu.
You start spinning a yarn.
Toi, tu parles pour pleurer, mais moi, je pense à autre chose.
Why not?
Oh, demain, je me lève à 7h. La reprise du boulot.
Please, gentlemen, this is a terrible mistake. This is a case of mistaken identity.
Merci. Surtout toi.
Then admonishing a man for the sins of another who wants to be
Lentement sur RT.
not me. Do I want to be this Dutch?
Ah, c'est long. Oh. Pas couvert. Oh, c'est petit gibier ça, non? Oh. Oh, elle fait mal en vrai, hein. Presque mort. La portée n'est pas très bien absolue. Oh mec, qu'est-ce que tu fais? On va aller dans la charrette, tu crois? Dans la tête. Oh. Deux fois il me... Il vite hein. D'avoir le bon angle. Oh. J'aime bien l'arme là que j'ai. Faut prendre le Strauss, genre c'est à nous de le prendre quoi. Ah c'est pas trop long. C'est là qu'on va se barrer de...
Pause publicitaire entrante.
You make sure nobody's following us. We'll get back to camp. We're gonna gather the troops and get them to start packing up. So,
Voilà.
can't stick around after this. Let's go!
Comment ça, moi je reste là oula. Allez. Ça c'est bon, ça c'est bon, ça c'est bon. Oh, c'était des shérifs. Rappelez-vous de Valentine. C'est mon cheval. Allez, 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 mais monte. Oh. What the fuck. Allez. J'ai payé ma... un bazar de trucs, moi. Je vais aller au bureau de poste. Attends, ah parce qu'il y a des gens, mais... C'est en limite ici, de toute façon. On va payer la prime. Alors que la prime elle est pas énorme. Oh mais j'ai deux primes, plus rien en thune. Y'a plus rien en thune, ça y est. Et au moins... Tu veux? Et je sais pas ce qu'il veut. Quoi? Ok, j'ai pas compris. Pas compris. Oh, ouais. Vas-y, tourne pas autour du truc. Ah bon.
Don't, damn it! What aren't you understanding? Come on, no! Fine!
J'aurais pu le libérer là. Peut-être encore avoir des témoins. Ah ça va. Ah, en même temps il sera arrêté quand je lui ai demandé de s'arrêter. Automatiquement il serait pas mort. Il serait pas en train de faire la sieste plutôt. Ouais, il est pas mort, il s'est pris deux tartes. De gros coups de poing quand même. C'est quoi, c'est en dessous? Au-dessus? Oh, qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Ah, c'est un carnage. What? Ouais. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Ah si on peut.
J'ai faim.
Look. On my work. Regarde mon travail, c'est ça? Elle a dit? Ah. Un truc de serial killer ici.
Move it. Move it. On your knees.
Kind sirs, we will not take up a moment longer than we got to. Give over your money
better
and
forget
your
about
valuables
this.
to my compadre here, and we.
You ain't getting the hell out of here. Kick on.
Too close for me.
Dommage qu'on est toujours là, hein, Léo Driscoll. Enfin, je suis toujours là, du moins. J'ai le retour. Waouh. Dutch, c'est disco chez toi. Hein.
Keep heading east. Is that the plan?
For now.
And when do we stop? When we reach Paris?
Well, that'd be nice. Join the commune.
So, we moving?
Ah, disco.
We stop when we find someplace sensible, shake them that's following us, and lie low.
This is lying low. We turned into a bunch of killers. I mean it. We ain't even got the delusion of being anything but a bunch of killers.
We are just trying to survive, Hosea. We don't have a choice. This'll end soon.
Damn right it will.
Constipated as usual. Micah told me of a place we can lie low. Look here. Dewberry Creek, he said.
Okay.
Maybe you and Charles can go take a look, clear off anyone you find before the whole lot of us move in looking so conspicuous.
And how we gonna do that?
I don't know. Start dancing?
Looks like I turned into the goddamn errand boy.
You have turned into my son. You worry because I worry. We are just the same.
Ok, d'accord.
Charles, come on.
Euh,
I need you for something.
Now, where have I heard that before?
et-
So where are we going? Find a new spot to camp. We're packing up and moving on. Again? We have to. Fast. We'd already pushed our luck too far before that mess we just made at
Pas faux.
Valentine.
That didn't sound good.
Killed a lot of law. Killed a lot of Cornwall's men. They must know where we are by now.
Il s'est pris le poteau.
So, we're heading south? Yeah. Area called Dewberry Creek.
Super quick.
Just to give it a look. Make sure it's clear and a good place to lie low for a while.
I've only known him a few months, but the way he talks, I never thought I'd see him wanting to head south.
Right. And I know by now, there ain't no lying low.
There's too many of us for that.
Oh.
And there ain't no way Dutch is gonna just hide away in a cave somewhere. Goes against everything he stands for. That'd be admitting we're nothing more than low-down criminals.
Which we are.
You don't have to tell me.
Oh.
So where does it end?
Where does what end?
Moving, the running.
Dutch don't see it as running.
Call it what you want.
I don't know.
Fais ça comme tu veux, mais bon, ça a l'air, hein.
Put enough time and
On se cache des gens et tout le bordel, c'est une cavale, hein.
Eventually, it went away. I mean, this is a big country. Now, with these Pinkertons, better paid bounty hunters. I ain't so sure. Maybe the price on our heads got too big.
Yeah, they've certainly got money behind them.
They've got Cornwall's money behind them for one, which guarantees even more trouble.
Allez, hein.
I think that must be it up ahead. The old dried up creek.
Seems very open.
Ah ouais, mais c'est vraiment pas loin qu'on a déménagé en vrai.
Ain't sure to be the best in the rain neither. Well, let's take a look around.
Hey, I see something over there.
Ouais.
See it? Someone on the ground there.
Ouais, j'ai vu. Y'a pas un tueur en série là, bientôt là? Je sais pas, parce que vu le...
He's been shot. Looks like trouble got here before us.
Ok. On dégaine.
Think I saw a camp up ahead. Let's go take a look.
All right.
Look, here it is. A few tents, but the place looks empty.
Let's have a look around and make sure.
Ah, il y a l'air de rien avoir. Hein. Et caisse.
It's okay. It's okay. Come out of there. You okay? You don't mean you no harm.
Mauvais état le flingue.
He said, are you okay?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Oh putain, c'est du Dutch.
German?
Oh.
No. Now go on, get out of here. Go, we need the land, go. Get the hell out of
They
here.
took our father.
Who did?
Men, last night.
Where did they take him?
Ain't no business of ours. I don't even speak their language.
You ain't as tough and dense as all that. Come on, Arthur.
Allez, c'est parti.
The girl was pointing this way. Let's see if we can pick up a trail.
C'est bien le... Ouais, c'est par là. Ok. Ah, c'est par là, du coup. C'est par là.
Where is this guy?
I don't know. But you know something? This is a better camp spot than back there. Much easier to defend.
Oh, tellement, ouais.
Maybe.
Ah, c'est ici qu'on va aller même.
This looks like our fella, Charles.
Quick, cut him free and let's get out of here.
Vorsicht, Vorsicht! Das ist eine Falle! Vorsicht!
Attention, c'est un piège en allemand. Oh, ok. Ça va nous faire quoi? On parle pas allemand. Je kiffe le pistolet, franchement. Ouais, je préférerais viser dans la tête directement. Mais... Oh.
Well, that's them dealt with. You get him untied, and I'll see what they've left behind for us.
Schneiden Sie das Seil durch, bitte!
It's okay. Getting you out of here.
Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe.
Yeah, okay. Hey, you wait there a second. Charles, go find Dutch. Get the caravan to divert here. This spot should work for us.
I agree.
All right, come on. I'll take you back to your family.
Was machen wir jetzt? Also soll ich mitkommen?
Oui, viens avec moi, viens avec moi. Genre, imagine, viens avec moi, ouais. Tu l'amènes, tu le rekidnappes, tu sais.
Wo bringen Sie mich hin?
What the hell did you do to those fellas?
Wie bitte?
Those men back there, why did they take you?
Geld? Money. Meiner Familie gehört eine Goldmine. Sie wollen Lösegeld erpressen.
How did someone even come up with them words?
Sie bringen mich zu deiner Familie? Vielen Dank. Wie haben Sie gefunden?
Look, I'm sorry, friend. I can barely speak English.
Mais moi j'ai du mal à parler français déjà, donc bon. C'était si loin que ça, leur famille là? C'est chelou. Elle avait pas l'air si loin, quand même.
There they are.
Dem Herrgott sei Dank. Schatz!
Andreas, ich hab gedacht, du seist tot.
Beinahe wärst du gewesen. Meine Lieblinge. Meine Herz allerliebst. Oh, wie wunderbar. Oh.
Sie sind ein großer Mann.
Ja.
Ein großer Mann.
Ja, wirklich.
Es ist ein Segen, dass wir sie getroffen haben.
Come on, now get out of here. This place ain't safe. Get out of here!
Ja, ja, alles
Vamos!
klar.
Vamos!
Ich hab was für Sie. Einen Moment. Dankeschön. Thank you.
What, un lago?
Herzlichen Dank.
Ah ouais?
Guess it was a pleasure.
Ah putain. Ah, moi je viens de me manger 2 petits lus là. Et c'est pas des lus qui vont me combler, on va dire. Et du coup j'ai faim aussi. Et on a mangé burger pas maison mais burger d'HelloFresh.
You were right. Oh, this place. Oh, it'll be perfect for us. Hello, Arthur. Dutch.
Ah, hop,
Miss Grimshaw. Mr.
il
Pearson.
saute.
Put everyone to work.
La roue se prend dans sa jambe, hop, il meurt. Ah, plus de Dutch.
I don't know where the hell we are, but we are going to make the best of it.
C'est toi qui avais fait la tartiflette, Marion? Chapitre 3. Salut Alan, comment vas-tu?
Hésite pas à follow et amuse-toi bien Alan CRZ.
Puis ça va toi? Bon, ça va, lingot d'or. Terminé chapitre 2.
Pause publicitaire entrante.
Ah. Du coup le camp il est à 33. Putain mais il se ramène pas énormément. Vous avez obtenu un lingot d'or. Un posteleur vous en donnera une coquette somme d'argent. Tu me donnes l'eau à la bouche, Mario.
Many times. I see I'm boring you, Arthur. Worrying me. We lost men back there. We have lofty goals, Arthur. We're trying to reform society to a kinder.
Il en reste en plus. Bah vas-y, va la manger. Fini là.
We're thieves. In a world that don't want us no
Ah oui c'est vrai, ouais c'est vrai. La mer d'or. Vas-y, à pas de... On est trop à en vouloir du coup là. Marion, Alan, moi. J'ai rien compris l'histoire. Parce qu'il a essayé dit ou quoi que ce soit. Putain, je suis en train de monter le Poppy Playtime s'appelle chapitre 4. Bah, il y a des moments je tourne en rond pour rien en fait. C'est fou. Ou des moments c'est atroce.
Ravi de vous rencontrer. Je suis Sangonien.
Non, ça va pas le faire. Du coup, c'est quoi? Ça fait quoi d'Alan d'avoir une semaine de congé mais de pas pouvoir geeker ou quoi que ce soit parce que t'as plus de pouce?
Thick and soupy as this air is. Might even do your whistling pipes some good, Hosea.
I was once in this country with Bessie.
Feels like a lifetime ago. It was a lifetime ago. But what a lifetime
Arrête,
it is.
dis pas des choses comme ça.
Especially both of you. I hope so. For
Tu
now,
peux regarder la télé, tu peux regarder YouTube.
we have to stay
Jamais t'as mes vidéos YouTube,
make enough money
je vais les regarder.
find somewhere
Ça me fera des vues.
you'll
Ah,
find us.
je te mets le lien si jamais t'es pas abonné.
Bienvenue, n'hésite pas à follow et amuse-toi bien sans beau 33S.
But I need you with me, not against me.
Ah,
Both of
re-
you. Of course,
pas grave.
still,
Mets-le comme ça en fond.
you need money.
Tu mets ma chaîne, tu mets la première vidéo et puis après t'enchaînes avec mes vidéos. Moi comme ça j'ai des vues. C'est le mec. Le mec qui est là pour les vues, c'est tout.
But start turning over the soil and the rocks. See what turns up. Dutch, we've got to be discreet. Imagine what a slew of rich simpletons there must be down here. Oh, this is perfect for you, Hosea. You'll be able to play them like a fiddle. Looks like law up ahead. Play it cool.
Ah mais après c'est tout, t'as ton pouce en plus. Ouais, c'est celui-là où tu iras tout prendre et tout. Je suppose que c'est ta main dominante qui est
Look what the cat drug in. Well, look who it is.
qui est cassée.
Quiet back there.
Let's see if we can't sort this out.
Ah oui. La base, hein.
How are you, boys?
Fine.
This is quite some country you have here.
We like it well enough.
Hoagie McIntosh, at your service.
Lee Gray. This is my deputy Archibald McGregor.
It's good to meet you.
You a Scot?
Partly. The best part.
Ouais bah oui, bah c'est pour ça à écrire, tu pourras plus.
Now, tell me, sir, what did the silly fancy fop back there do? Nothing too terrible, I trust.
He was accused of running a gold mining investment scam.
Oh, no. I'm sure he wasn't. He is a magician. I know him. He's a fool, but he is not a bad fellow. Now, can we just...
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Shit! The Anderson boys! I can't have more scandal!
Well, allow us to help, my friend. Arthur,
Chase wanted man.
and take Archibald with you.
Just what I signed up for. Come on, big guy.
Perhaps we can discuss the foolish magician.
Stay with that train.
Poursuivez le train. Ah les bâtards, on l'a laissé se
You hear me?
faire rapater juste pour qu'on les rattrape après, tu sais.
Come on, we're losing them.
Will you relax? We're not losing them.
Faster, come on. What's your name, sir?
Arthur Callahan.
Faster, Mr. Callahan, please. My neck is on the line here.
I get it. I'm doing my best.
Ah là je peux pas faire mieux là. Hein.
Wanted for. Looks like the son of a bitch is gonna make me. You sure I can't just shoot him?
No, did I not say that?
You said plenty. Come back to cop.
Je suis à deux doigts de me la... Allez, regardez mon sa gueule.
Train is slowing down to go for the station. Now's our chance. Get to the side of the train.
Ah je suis content.
Faster. You need to get
Putain, j'avais tellement envie de les sauter, tu sais. Quoi?
Yeah, closer. Get us alongside it. Get alongside that flat carriage. You think you can jump on there?
Me? I'm me.
J'y vais. Oh, oh, wow. C'est digne d'un film d'action. Ah ouais? Ah bah tu l'as sur quoi que tu joues? Tu vas pas le racheter quand même par hasard? Allez! Film d'action le bordel. Ça tiendrait qu'à moi. Je mettrai le lasso. Cale! What? Mon chapeau! Non, encore mon chapeau! Va. Vous plus un geste, ok. Ouais, mais grave. Bah écoutez, 15 balles là, il y a pas si longtemps que ça. Oh. Ah ouais, c'est pour ça. Eh. Mon chapeau. Rapide. Ah, je dis mon chapeau, mais il va tellement pas avec ma tenue. Ah, faut le... Ah ouais. Et toi Marion, ça te dit rien comme style de jeu?
Is that him?
I sincerely hope so.
Old Anders Anderson.
So what now?
Take him in, come on. A fine job, well done. And a pat on the back for me for stopping the train. Load Anders onto the back of your horse there and we'll take him to Sheriff Gray. Hear these tobacco fields? This is part of Caliga Hall, big estate belonging to the Gray family.
Looks bone dry.
Yes, we are in dire need of some rain around here, let me tell you. The Grays have lived in Caliga Hall for generations. Fine people. My family's been working for them for years. Sheriff Gray's the one I know best, of course, but they own half the businesses in town.
Which town?
Rhodes, sir.
Ouais, là, ouais, c'est... Bah, c'est 60 balles. 60 balles, le bordel.
I'm sure you already know of the Braithwaites.
Like I said, just got down here.
Another big family in these parts. They have an estate west of here. Awful people.
En vrai, pour un rat, il faudrait que nous, on a une famille avec, avec Steam. Avec Jadon, moi et à ma femme. Du coup, si ma femme, elle prend un jeu, je peux... Comment ça s'appelle? Je peux y jouer, tu vois. Sans l'acheter. Il est dans ma bibliothèque famille, tu vois. Pareil, si Jadon il en achète un pour y jouer, bah... Ouais, t'as vu le délire? Là, j'ai demandé à la bande de ne pas utiliser d'armes. Ou de causer d'ennui à Rod. Bienvenue à Rhodes. Ok. Une très réputée propriété des familles Grey. Bah ouais, comme d'hab. Il y a aussi un magasin, un armurier, un bureau de poste. Et une gare, bien sûr. Je vais demander de plus. C'est pour ça, moi j'ai... Je sais pas combien j'ai de jeux dans mon Steam. C'est abusé.
Mr. Gray! We got him. Very good.
I told you Arthur would deliver. Man has a passion for justice.
That's wonderful.
So, about my friend here?
Your idiot friend is free to go. But no more trouble from you, partner.
I promise you, this was all just a big misunderstanding. However, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I'll pretend to appreciate that. Mr. McIntosh, it has been a real pleasure. The mostly good citizens of Rhodes, we welcome you.
Well, we're just...
Make your friend behave. We got enough trouble from some of the residents, old-timers who've gone, sadly, to seed and lost their dignity.
How terrible. Come along now. I will keep this fellow on the straight and narrow.
Come back and see us sometime soon. Excuse me, gentlemen. Bo, these better be ugly rumors. Is it true you were seen talking to that wretched Penelope?
Hey, wait.
I can't thank you enough. Where have you been? Around. And where are you staying? I'm renting a caravan on the edge of town behind the church.
Et lui?
It's horrible,
Je sais plus.
but no one comes looking. The whole town is trapped in this interminable feud between the two families. His lot
Entre les Grey et les Braithwaites.
and Braithwaite.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Interesting. two old plantation houses and falling out of rebel gold and marrying cousins or not marrying.
C'est ça.
Jose, you start poking around. See what you can find out about that. I have missed you, boys. I've heard about bounty. There's been a price on my head for 13 years. It'll take a month to find us down here, and it seems like we can have a little sport. Well, they're good bounties. Where you hear this? Some fellas I met at a camp near the state line said there was talk of it in bars in the north and west for 500 miles. There was talk of super agents of some sort. Super agents? I'd love to meet one. It's just talk. I'm sure it is, but I couldn't not tell you. Stay out of trouble. Thank you, gentlemen. Okay, so these two plantation families. Arthur, you start sniffing around the Gray's place, see what the story is there.
Yeah, I passed by it earlier with our friend, Archibald.
Good. Hosea, you see what you can find out about these Braithwaites.
All right. Thank you, Arthur.
Merci Arthur, pourquoi?
There's still time. I'm up for it.
C'est vrai que...
You, Arthur. Have you had enough of the chase for one day?
Oh, vas-y, on va pêcher. Hein.
Sure, why not?
Great.
En vrai.
Hosea, why don't you lead us to that spot you were talking about? I kinda like this place.
Okay. Let's see if we can avoid any more excitement.
Ça serait bien.
Near got bit by a goddamn dog this morning. Not enough food for anyone.
Oh.
Place going plumb crazy.
All right, gentlemen. Follow me.
Come on.
J'arrive en dernier, le mien, comme d'hab, hein, putain.
So how far is this creek?
It's a bit of a ride still, and it's not a creek. It's the same lake we camped on, just a different pipe. It'll be worth it. I saw some big drum and sturgeon there. Should be rock bass, bluegills, perch, pickerel too.
Et des arlequins.
Spot.
We'll see if you're as good at catching fish as you are at catching criminals, Arthur.
Trelawney owes me for that.
Trelawney owes everyone for something, but his information is good.
Plus, we are now ingratiated with the local law. I'd say it was a worthwhile diversion all around.
Where is this spot, Hosea? Timbuktu?
Not too
Oh,
much
but-
farther. Anyway, you two never told me properly about that business with Cornwall in Valentine. What happened there? Apart from scaring the living daylights out of Mr. Strauss.
That was about the only upside. John and I didn't even have time to get paid for the sheep we rustled.
It is safe to say Mr. Cornwall isn't a man to let bygones be bygones.
Ambushed us in the saloon. He came with a lot of guards and what seemed like just about every lawman in the county.
We've had closer shaves, but not that many.
And if Cornwall found us, the Pinkertons couldn't have been far behind.
They found me when I was fishing with Jack, remember?
Listen, it was good we moved when we did, but that mess is behind us now.
Pas sûr. Hein.
Yes. Jack told me you were a good teacher when you took him fishing. I said he must have you confused with someone else.
À base.
Very funny.
This is the spot. Down to the left there.
Ah, là, là. Oh.
I saw some boats around last time. Be good to get to deeper water.
Whoa!
Yes, over
Mais c'est
there.
là où on a pris à avec pour aller chercher l'allemand là. On a chevauché de côté nous.
I'm sure nobody would mind if we borrowed one of these. Come on. All right. This looks like a fine vessel.
Okay. Come on, Arthur. Let's get her in the water.
Oh. I got a good feeling about fishing here. There's supposed to be some incredible sturgeon. Oh.
Okay, here we go. Let me row. You boys are too old for real labor no more.
You're too dumb for anything else.
You're still too quick for me, old man.
I enjoy picking on children. Now take us to deeper water and pray for good luck and stupid fish.
But what about stupid luck and good fish?
That'll do too. Head towards the middle of the lake. I think here's good.
All right. Good luck, gentlemen. Come on, Arthur. Don't be nervous.
Should really come here at dawn or dusk. That's when you catch the best fish. We should use a lake lure. That'll give us a much better chance of hooking something big like a sturgeon.
Strong a good old worm.
Oh, worms are good for tiddlers like bluegill and rock bass, but you'd have to be real lucky to catch a sturgeon with one.
Lures it is, then. You heard the expert, Arthur. Let's bait up.
Keep the lure moving slowly on the water so it looks like a little fish just asking to be eaten. Are you trying to make your lure look like a dead fish? They won't be interested if it ain't moving.
Arthur's got a bite. Just gotta reel him in now, Arthur.
Hey.
Genre ça?
There you go.
Well done, Arthur.
They can grow a lot bigger than that.
1 kilo, ouais, bah regarde.
We
Hein.
once saw a monster lake sturgeon near the mouth of the river, just southwest of Saint Denis. 50-pounder, he reckoned.
I would like to see that.
Ah, I should have had that one.
Hey, Hosea. You remember that time we sent Arthur out fishing? He came back with 3 beautiful bass.
Not this again.
I don't think I do.
Oh, yeah. You do. He was maybe 20. 21. Walked in all full of himself. We had a big feast. Toasted him all night.
This was 15 years ago.
Oh, I remember now.
Then
Ah bah on est bon à la pêche hein.
Arthur and I are at the market, and Fishmonger calls out, "So how did you enjoy those bass?"
Look, you can fish, or you can go drinking all day, rob someone, and buy some fish.
Fish on the line, Arthur. That feels like a bite. Got one. I used to go fishing with this feller back in the day. Wesley, his name was. Real miserable bastard, but he loved to fish. We go out all the time. But one day, we were river fishing when we see a funeral procession going over the bridge, and out of the
Voilà.
Wesley stands up,
Le même.
takes off his hat, bows his head. Then
2 kilos, putain.
picks his rod back up and carries on. Doesn't say a word. So I'm a little surprised and say, "Wesley, that was nice of you." And he replies, "Well, fella,
Oh, il y en a une juste là, regarde.
I was married to her for 30 years."
Oh, there he is.
Oh, dear God. I might swim to shore.
Remember those big salmon I caught in Montana last year? We had a banquet planned that night until
Okay.
Copper went and scoffed a lot.
You never had control of that dog.
Ah, il est là. On finit la pêche et on arrête là aussi nous hein.
Right
Dis donc.
to the end.
You know, I remember thought Blackwater was the furthest east we'd ever been. As a group, I mean.
Feels like the more we try to head west, the
Donc,
further east we end up.
We had all those safe spots picked out to lie low in New Austin after the ferry job.
I liked it there. Still open and wild, the way it should be. Somehow the desert makes you feel closer to the sky.
No point us trying to get back down
j'ai l'impression que
anytime soon. Pinkertons have patrols out all over tall trees and Great Plains. We saw when we went back for
ça emmène des choses, hein, en tout cas.
Now, huh? It could be worse. Plans change. That's just how life goes.
Pas la même.
Not bad, Arthur.
84.
Did I ever tell you my mother's buried in Blackwater?
Really? She is?
Apparently so. I only found out from an uncle of mine years later. Last I knew, she was still outside Philadelphia. I left home at 15 and didn't see her again. She and I didn't always see eye to eye. I wasn't always a very obedient child.
I can only imagine.
Still, I loved her.
Ok, hop là.
And she me in hers. Somehow, even from the grave, she managed to have the last laugh. You got a bite there, Arthur. Nice, you hooked him.
Apparemment. Oh.
I got a bite. Ha! Got ya!
You're getting the hang of this.
Ah. 87.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Hey, I reckon we call it a day, fellas.
Already?
You ain't been chasing down outlaws.
All right. Think we got a decent haul here. Pearson will be happy. Should we head back?
We could keep the boat, not
Allez.
too far back to camp from here.
Good idea. Could be useful.
What about the horses?
They'll find their way back.
Just follow the shore south, Arthur.
That was fun.
Aha!
J'ai
Thank
faim.
you, boys.
Ah.
Now, Hosea,
Yes.
how about a song?
Oh non.
Okay. All right, I got one for you. I asked that gal to give me some.
I asked that girl to give me some. She says, wait till the taters is done. I couldn't wait till the taters was done. I couldn't wait till the taters was done. Threw her on the floor and I knocked off some.
Huh.
I wish to God I'd passed her by. I wish to God I'd passed her by. Taters got burned and so did I.
That was pretty good. But you know, what song we should be singing?
What?
Well, look at us. Free mariners.
Ah, of course.
Well,
Pause publicitaire entrante.
mariners, we come from the seas. We spend our lives in jeopardy while others live at ease. Shall we go dance this round, round, around? Shall we go dance this round, round, around? And there is a bully boy, come pledge me on this round, round, round.
C'est vachement long.
Bravo! Well, you know, we should not let the folks back think we had too much fun. Indeed not.
Rien.
All right.
Genre, il y a un ponton, mais on va pas sur le ponton. C'est ce bordel encore.
I think I mean, we are gonna be okay. I know. I always know. Whenever I got you two by my side, things are gonna be just fine. This place will be good for us. For now, anyway.
I hope so.
Well, I am going to take in the view.
I'll give these fish to Pearson.
Allez.
Was up near North Elizabeth. I was fixated on this pocket watch Dutch had. Big fancy thing it was.
Say whatever you damn well please, but I tell you, if I don't get out of here soon, I'm gonna kill somebody.
And if you don't stop hissing at me, I'm gonna kill you.
You come near me, sailor, and I'll slice you up.
You put that knife down or you could be missing a hand.
What is wrong with you two?
I ain't chopping vegetables for a...